let's solve some problems. The first problem is, what acceleration will you give to 24.3 kilogram box if you push it horizontally with a net force of 85.5 Newton? So here, the first thing that you have to do is, we have to list down all the given quantities. Here, the mass of the box is given, M is given, that's 24.3 kilogram, and the force applied on this object is 85.5 Newton. So we are asked to find what's required is, we are asked to find the acceleration produced by this object on the given mass. So let's see solution. Let's solve. So we know that the mass of the object is given and the force applied on the object given. So we are asked to find the acceleration. This is a box. So there is an applied force. Some force is applied. That's applied force, which is given by 85.5 Newton. Then when this force is applied on the given object, then it will accelerate to the right. That's A. So we want to find the value of this acceleration. So to find the acceleration, let's use the Newton's second law of motion. That is, if the force applied, the net force applied on the given object is given by the product of mass and its acceleration. We know this formula. So from this formula, let's make A the subject of the formula. Like, to find A, we divide both sides by M. So this M will cancel out by M. Finally, you will have acceleration of object is given by the ratio of force and mass. This is the same as the force applied on the object is 85.5 Newton divided by the mass of the object, that is 24.3 kilogram. So you can use calculator in order to divide these two numbers, that is 85.5 divided by 24.3. Then it will give us 3.5. This is the same as 3.5 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the box is 3.5 meter per second square. Let me show you where this meter per second square comes from. We know that force is defined as mass multiplied by acceleration, and the SI unit of force is Newton, which is the same as kilogram, which is the SI unit of mass multiplied by meter per second square. That is the SI unit of acceleration. So here I can express this Newton as, this Newton is the same as kilogram. From this formula I can express kilogram multiplied by meter per second square divided by the SI unit of mass, that's kilogram, divided by kilogram. So this kilogram will cancel out by kilogram. Finally, you will have meter per second square, which is the SI unit of acceleration. So when 85.5 Newton force is applied on 24.3 kilogram of box, then it will accelerate at the rate of 3.5 meter per second square. That is the net force, the acceleration produced by the net force. Now let's move on to the second example.